Greetings! Welcome to today's Dev Diary. Let me briefly show you what's new in Leon in Sprint 129.
We've added a neat feature in a sales panel. You can now share trip data with your customer or broker by simply sending them a link to a given trip. You can even customize this page to match your company colors. On the other hand, we've enriched the functionality of a crew panel by adding the possibility to upload file attachments to your repositioning. The almighty report wizard has just become even more flexible. You can now schedule your report sending to trigger on a selected date. So if you need to send your reports yearly or quarterly, we've got you covered. And also, Leon's introducing a new module. You can now calculate weighted balance for your fleet in Leon. Once everything is in order, you can download your file along with other apps documents.
If you want to know more about our weighted balance module, please contact our sales team or our support. Other updates and amendments you can find in our release notes on our webpage. Please check our other educational materials on our YouTube channel or LinkedIn page.